Reading for the rain, writing. Today, I'm going to talk a little bit about learning. As a college student, I believe that your goal is to learn as much as you can. The first writing I gave you was related to rain. What can you really do with this writing? You could just explain some of your personal thoughts and ideas about rain. However, that is not all you can do. How about really studying about rain scientifically? How about discovering as much as you can with the time that you have on the topic of rain? Of course, we all know that there are many videos and documentaries on rain. That can be a great way to learn some things. So why not look at some if that is the best way for you to learn? Reading on topics is also beneficial, and I encourage you to consider some great things you could read about rain. This can start at home. What I mean is that you may have children with science textbooks used in elementary, middle, or high school, college, and even university. They probably contain good explanations of rain. Obviously, the vocabulary and level of explanation and analysis changes at various levels. What can you comprehend? How much do you want to push your vocabulary development and knowledge? Are you hoping to be a science major? Many non-native speakers of English do very well when studying and learning science. You can understand science at a high level if that is what you want to do. Why limit yourself? Learning is a choice. Learning is a decision. The more you decide to learn, the more you challenge yourself, the more you push yourself, the more you can learn. What would I like you to do as an instructor of this class? One of my goals is to show you some great learning resources that are available for you both at Los Angeles Mission College and online. At LAMC, we have many science books for learners of English. They have good explanations and are at various reading levels, giving you the opportunity to study science at a level that meets your vocabulary comprehension. There are also so many free resources online. Have you heard of OERs? OERs are free open education resources. These are free textbooks, free ways to learn college and university materials. You could do different searches online, like Rain Explained in Biology OER, Rain Explained in Hydrology OER, Rain Explained in Chemistry OER, Rain explained in ecology, OER. You will find so many resources. Some may be geared for children. Skip those if you want to see more adult level materials. But sometimes explanations for children are wonderful since they are clear and simple. But that is the problem as well. Real, advanced science is much more than what kids learn. Don't think that a child's comprehension is enough. There are much higher levels of analysis, research, knowledge, and study. Learn what you can. This gets to the ultimate question for any student in any educational setting. Why are you here? To learn, obviously. That's great. Then the question becomes, how much will you learn? That is your decision in many ways. You can learn and do so much. We all know that our potentials are vast. The question is related to how much time and effort we want to invest into what we hope to do. Dream big. Think big. And see what happens.